Heart transplant recipient Mike Willis is one of few Canadians who have had 3 COVID-19 vaccines.
I had 0 antibodies from the first 2 shots of Moderna.
Part of a Toronto-based trial, it wasn't until his booster shot the 66-year-old had any protection at all.
With the Delta variant circulating, we need to make sure that everybody's antibodies are at the level that they should be.
And partly why U.S. health officials have decided to recommend third doses of Pfizer and Moderna to all Americans 18 or older 8 months after their second shot.
You want to stay ahead of the virus.
The U.S. Centers for Disease Control say recent data from the U.S. and Israel reveals immunity to COVID-19 for the general population decreases around 6 months after a second shot.
This happens with all vaccines or even infections. Understanding the nuances of what waning immunity means and correlates of protection really are going to take some time.
The studies also found a third mRNA vaccine can boost COVID-19 antibody levels tenfold, which Dr. Anthony Fauci called a dramatic increase. Still, Canadian health experts aren't convinced prioritizing boosters domestically is the best way to fight COVID-19 globally.
We are not dealing with the core of the problem. And the core of the problem is that this virus is out there all over the planet Earth.
The World Health Organization has asked countries like Canada to hold off on third doses until at least the end of September. Canada's National Advisory Committee on Immunization has not proposed boosters for the general population, but it says it is reviewing data and will be updating its recommendation in the coming weeks.